So hello everyone. Today we are going to do first chapter of the class 11 textbook. The chapter's name is called sets. Now by the term sets, what do you understand? To take example of a card, when we place a group of cards all together, it is known as a pack. Likewise, if we take flowers, when we place them all together, it is known as a bunch or a bouquet. So likewise in mathematics, if we place all numbers, data under certain defined conditions, then that group is known as set. Or to define sets, it is a group of well defined objects. Alright. Now by the definition or the statement of sets, we can clearly understand what a set is. Or to further clear it, we take an example. We have a set of all the natural numbers. Now this is represented in statement. What about mathematically? So to mathematically represent this statement, I'll be using parenthesis, and it is usually how set is also represented. It is always represented in parenthesis, or you can say braces. 1, 2. We are beginning from 1 because the condition over here is natural numbers. 4, 5, so on till the unknown infinity. Alright. So first thing, what is a set? It is a group of well-defined objects. How is it represented? It is represented through braces. What are the elements? In this case, particular case, it is natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Likewise, we can have many daily examples. For example, a set of vowels in English alphabet. Everybody knows it, A, E, I, O, U. Similarly, we can have set of all the rivers in our great nation Tibet. Certain examples of sets in our daily lives. Alright. Now we know what a set is. How do we represent a set? So basically stating, there are usually two ways of representing a set. A set can be represented in the form of a roster form and a set builder form. Okay. So by roster form, what we understand is the form that we used earlier, in which all the elements are being noted out. For example, let's say set of prime numbers, okay, set of prime numbers less than 10. A set of prime numbers less than 10. Alright. So to represent in roster form, we begin with, is 2 a prime number? 3, 5, 7. Anything greater than 7? Next prime number, we have 11, which is not less than 10, which is greater than 10. So this is the end, and then we close it in braces. Alright. Similarly, next example, we can write a set of even numbers less than 10. A set of even numbers less than 10. So in this condition, less than 10 all the even numbers. To begin with, first we have 2. Then next 4, 6, 8 and 10. Alright. Now over here what is being said is it is less than 10. Now since it is less than 10, therefore including 10 over here would be wrong.